A lot of people don't know how to like a story on Instagram. They think that the same, like it looks like YouTube where you can really see the like button, but on Instagram you don't see the like button, so it's very different. I thought like I was like that. I didn't know how to like the Instagram story, so that's why I made this video, guys. If you want to like an Instagram story, you want to just open the story that you want to like. Let's say that I want to like this story. See, you can see here, guys. You can see here, guys, this heart here. As you can see at the bottom, right? You can see this heart button. You want to click it, and that's how you can like the Instagram story. And this guy or this girl will be notified that you have liked their Instagram story. And you can also click on send message. You can just reply to this story, say hi, I like it, or anything like that. Then click send. Now, as you can see, it's very simple, guys, to like the Instagram story. Like I said, you just want to click this heart, the bottom right. You can do this for multiple stories, and you can also like send a message. Like I said, to this person, you can click on send a message on the story and then say hi or anything like that. So hopefully, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. If you want to learn more about Instagram, click in the video in the screen, but make sure to leave a like, please. See you guys in the next video.